If heroin destroyed your motivation, if alcohol hijacked your brain every single morning, and if cocaine followed you around in your pocket all day long, you'd call that a crisis, right? Well, guess what, brother? That's exactly what porn is doing to millions of men. And yet, most will still laugh it off. Today, brother, I'm pulling back the curtain on why porn addiction is more destructive than drugs or alcohol and why it's keeping you stuck in mediocrity. Guys, welcome to the Rebuilt Man podcast. My name is Coach Frank Rich, founder and creator here, and it's been our mission for the last 6 years to help men just like you caught up in this crisis take back control, reclaim back their lives, and rewire their brains so they could break the chains of porn addiction and step in the life that God is calling them to live. Now, I know what I said at the beginning is a bold claim. So before you start shutting your phone or keyboard, let me be clear. I'm not here to downplay the pain caused by drug addiction or alcoholism. I've seen it up and close. I've witnessed people in my life and I've lost loved ones to it. But if we're being honest, there's a reason for millions of men are secretly drowning in porn and they cannot break free. It has everything to do with the three deadly A's. Now let's break it down. The three A's that make porn addiction so destructive. Number one is it's the affordability. The free drug that is costing men their souls. It's a fact that over 90% of internet porn is free. You don't need a dealer. You don't need any money. You don't even need to leave your bed. But here's the truth in reality. You're still paying. You're paying with your time. You're paying with your focus. You're paying with your future. And brother, you're paying with your soul. Now, unlike drugs or alcohol, there's no financial threshold that forces you to slow down. You can binge for hours every single day at the cost of nothing but your life. A 2023 study from the Journal of Behavioral Addictions found that men who consume porn more than 3 times a week had drastically lower levels of long-term motivation, goal orientation, and most importantly, lower levels of life satisfaction. You may think that this drug is free, and on the outside it appears to be, but it's robbing you of everything that is meaningful in your life and everything that will become meaningful in your future. Now, the second A, the second reason that makes porn addiction, in my opinion, more dangerous and destructive than any other addiction out there is the accessibility. Brother, it's in your pocket 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. No drug addict that I've ever seen walks around with a needle in their hand all day long. No alcoholic carries a bottle of whiskey like it's their phone. But every man with a smartphone carries his porn dealer in his pocket. It goes to bed with us. It goes to bathroom with us. It goes to work with us. It's in our car with us. In 2025, the average man checks his phone 144 times a day. And with one wrong swipe or scroll, you're back into the pit of hell. This constant exposure destroys your ability to focus, to resist, to fight back. A 2022 Neuroscience and Biobehavioral Review article confirmed that frequent visual sexual stimuli literally rewires the brain's reward system, reducing tolerance to real life stimulation and increasing impulsivity. That desire, that need for more that you feel is a byproduct of the constant consumption that you're surrounding yourself in. Brother, we got to understand that smartphones can be a tool for greatness. Many of you are listening and watching on them right now, but are the things that we're doing on our phone moving us closer towards the life that we want to live and the man that we're trying to become? Or are they keeping us stuck in this cycle of relapse, shame, and mediocrity? Now, the third thing here, the third A that in my opinion may be the most destructive is the anonymity. It's the secret that is killing you slowly. Porn addiction is the only addiction you can hide perfectly. And for those of us that are caught up in it and have been caught up in it, know exactly how to keep it a secret, even from the people we call our loved ones and the ones closest to us. For over 20 years, I watched porn almost every single day, and not a single person in my life knew about it. I was building businesses. I was crushing workouts, competing in bodybuilding, but I was silently dying inside. This secrecy, it breeds shame, and shame leads to powerlessness. And as long as no one knows about this, that addiction owns you. Brother, if you're keeping a secret from the world, that secret is keeping you from becoming a man of integrity. According to a 2020-21 meta-analysis from the International Journal of Mental Health and Addiction, secrecy and internalized shame are two of the strongest predictors of long-term compulsive porn use in men. The more that you hide your life in secrecy, the more that you allow yourself to walk in shame, the more compulsive your addiction use will come, because you need to drown out those feelings. The 3 A's, brother: the affordability, the accessibility, and the anonymity. Are they drowning your life into mediocrity and keeping you a shell of yourself? Now you may have wondered, why can't you just snap out of it? And brother, I'm here to tell you, it's not because you're weak. It's not because you're broken. It's because you're battling against something that is free, always available, and completely hitting. And the only way to win this is to stop fighting it alone. First off, you need a new identity. You need real accountability. And most importantly, you need a brotherhood. Now, if you're ready to finally break free, not just for a day or for a week, but for good, I want to gift to you a free week inside our Rebuilt Man community. Plus, instant access to the 7-day porn reset. The amount of success, momentum, and clarity that you can gain in just 1 week is incredible. Inside of the Brotherhood and the 7-day porn reset, you'll get a full daily game plan, group coaching, and the brotherhood and community that you know you've been missing. All you have to do to access this is go to www.therebuiltman.com/7-day reset, or click the link down there in the show notes below to get instant access inside of our community and inside of the 7-day reset. You may be close, but don't wait to hit rock bottom. Join the fight. Become the man that you're called and created to be. Join the 7-day porn reset today at www.therebuiltman.com/7-day reset, or click the link down there in the show notes below. And bro, I look forward to seeing you on the inside.